Bonjour tout le monde et bienvenue à Learn French by Suchita. Je m'appelle Suchita, votre enseignante de la langue française, and in this video I'm going to teach you a new tense which is simple future. In French that's called futur simple. Before we begin with this video, I would like to introduce you to my website www.learnfrenchbysuchita.com, where you will find recorded courses for all your French language needs. We have courses for DELF A1, DELF A2, DELF B1, TEF TCF recorded course, French phonetics as well. We have special courses for our school students ranging from grade 5 to grade 8. We also have courses for university students who are enrolled in certificate course or diploma course in Delhi University. And finally, we also have courses for our school students who are aiming to appear for their DELF Prem or DELF Junior examinations. So hurry up and check it out. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. And as I already told you, in this video, I'm going to teach you a new tense which is called futur simple. In English, that's called simple future. Before we begin with this video, I would request you to watch this video till the end, and in case you like this video, please do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel and mention your comments in the comment section below. And in case you're not following me over my Instagram page, which is Learn French by Suchita, go and follow me over there as well. Now, let's just begin with this video. But yes, I would also like to mention a lot of you people comment in the comment section below that you need the French classes. For that, there is a number which is reflecting on your screen. You can always WhatsApp on that particular number. Now here, I've divided the series into two parts. In the first part of the series, that means in today's video, I'm going to teach you how do you write the simple future of the regular verbs, and in the next part of this video we are going to do all the exceptions. That means we are going to do how do you write the future simple of the irregular verbs. Now what we are going to do in this video are the conjugations. So basically in French you have two future tenses. One is futur proche, another is futur simple. Futur proche, which in English is known as near future. For that, I have already uploaded the video on my YouTube channel. If you have not watched that video, I would request you to watch that video. I'm going to mention the link in the card above. You can watch that video and then come back here again. So basically, how futur proche and futur simple are different. Futur proche is near future. When you want to say, I'm going to eat, I'm going to drink, I'm going to buy. So that is something which you're just going to do in future. I'm going to eat in 5 minutes or maybe 10 minutes or maybe next 1 hour. That is near future. Now this is simple future where you translate it into I will eat, I will buy, I will drink. So how do you say that? That we are going to learn. So first we are going to learn how do you conjugate a verb in future simple. For that there is a simple rule. You write the verb in the infinitive form. You're going to write the verb à l'infinitif. Let's say the verb is manger or boire or any verb. You're going to write that in the infinitive form, followed by les terminaisons. Terminaison, which means the endings. After you write the verb in the infinitive form, you're going to apply certain endings to that. And the endings are ai, as, a, ons, ez, ont. Very much similar to the verb avoir. Right? Okay, so you're going to write the verb in the infinitive form followed by the endings which are ai, as, a, ons, ez and ont. Now let's just start with the verb manger. That's our first verb. The verb is manger, which means to eat. Now, if you want to conjugate the verb in future simple, of course first you will have to write all your subject pronouns which are je, tu, il, elle, on, nous, vous, il pluriel et elle pluriel. These are all your subject pronouns. By the way, if you do not know what exactly are the subject pronouns and how do you write them in French, I'm going to mention the link of the video in the card above. You can watch that video and then come back here again. Now here, you're going to write all your subjects. Then, as I already told you the rule is simple. You have to write the verb in the infinitive form. This is the verb in the infinitive form, M-A-N-G-E-R, manger. That you're going to write in all the cases, followed by the endings. What were the endings? The endings were ai, as, a, ons, ez and ont. And the pronunciation is going to be je mangerai, tu mangeras. Remember to repeat after me so that you improve on your pronunciations. So, je mangerai, tu mangeras, il
mangera, elle mangera, on mangera. All three of them share the same conjugation. Nous mangerons, vous mangerez, ils mangeront et elles mangeront. Ok, alors je répète, je mangerai, tu mangeras, il mangera, elle mangera, on mangera. Nous mangerons, vous mangerez, ils mangeront et elles mangeront. And the English equivalents are written over here. So, je mangerai would mean I will eat. Tu mangeras, you will eat. Il, elle, on mangera, he will eat, she will eat or one will eat. Nous mangerons, we will eat. Vous mangerez, you will eat. Il or elles mangeront, which means they will eat. Alright, so moving on to the next verb. The verb is finir. Finir, which means to finish. Again, the same rule. You're going to write all the subjects je, tu, il, elle, on, nous, vous, il et elle. After that, the verb in the infinitive form is finir. So you'll write the verb as it is. Finir, 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 finir. In all the cases, followed by the endings which is ai, as, a, ons, ez, ont. Right? Now, how would you read it? Je finirai. Je finirai. Tu finiras. Tu finiras. Il finira. Elle finira. On finira. Nous finirons. Nous finirons. Vous finirez. Vous finirez. Ils finiront. Et elles finiront. Je répète. Je finirai. Tu finiras. Il finira. Elle finira. On finira. Nous finirons. Vous finirez. Ils finiront. Et elles finiront. And the English equivalents are like I will finish. Tu finiras. You will finish. Il, elle, on finira. He will finish or she will finish or one will finish. Nous finirons. We will finish. Vous finirez. You will finish. Il or elles finiront, which means they will finish. Alright, moving on to the next rule. Till now, I taught you whenever you want to conjugate a verb in future simple, you write the verb in the infinitive form, whatever the verb is, you write with all the subjects, then you add the endings to it. Now also the rule is same, but there is a little exception over here, which says, si le verbe à l'infinitif se termine par e, vous allez barrer e. What does that mean? If your verb in the infinitive form is ending with e, like in this case, in all the cases where you have re verbs, in all those cases the verb is going to end with e. So in the case where the verb ends with e, you just need to remove this e. So you will write the verb in the infinitive form, vendr, but you will not write this e. So if your verb in the infinitive form is ending with e, in that case you will just remove that e and rest of the rule remains same. So you're going to write all the subjects je, tu, il, elle, on, nous, vous, il pluriel et elle pluriel. Then you're going to write the verb in the infinitive form. So the verb in the infinitive form is vendre, but you will remove this e. So vendr. In all the cases I've written that, followed by the same endings. Endings are ai, as, a, ons, ez, ont. So je vendrai. Je vendrai. Tu vendras. Tu vendras. Il vendra. Elle vendra. On vendra. Nous vendrons. Nous vendrons. Vous vendrez. Vous vendrez. Ils vendront. Et elles vendront. So as simple as that, if your verb is ending with e, remove that e and follow the same rule. Now the meanings are, je vendrai, I will sell. Tu vendras, you will sell. Il vendra, he will sell. Elle vendra, she will sell. On vendra, one will sell. Nous vendrons, we will sell. Vous vendrez, you will sell. Ils vendront, they will sell. et elles vendront, they will sell. Alright, so here I have given you one more example of a verb which is ending with E, and the verb is boire. Boire, which means to drink. Again, if you see, the verb in the infinitive form is ending with E. So what are you going to do? You'll write all the subjects: je, tu, il, elle, on, nous, vous, il pluriel, elle pluriel. Then you're going to write the verb as it is, B-O-I-R, but you will remove this E, right? So B-O-I-R you're going to write in all the cases, followed by the endings. The same endings: A-I, A-S, A-O-N-S, E-Z, O-N-T. The pronunciation: je boirai, je boirai, tu boiras, il boira, elle boira, on boira, nous boirons, vous boirez, ils boiront et elles boiront. And the meaning would be: I will drink, you will drink, he will drink, she will drink, one will drink, we will drink, you will drink, and they will drink. So je boirai, tu boiras, il, elle, on boira, nous boirons, vous boirez et ils, elles boiront. Alright, so let's just now finally do how do you write the negative of a verb in future simple. So it's very simple. So here let's say I said je mangerai, which was I will eat, je mangerai, or we did tu finiras, which was you will finish, il vendra, he will sell, or nous boirons, we will drink. So how would you say I will not eat or you will not finish? For that, first of all, you should know how do you write the negative. So for that, you always select the verb, whatever the verb is, you select that verb, you write ne before that verb and you write pas after that verb. That's how you will make it negative. It's very simple. So je ne mangerai pas, tu ne finiras pas, il ne vendra pas, nous ne boirons pas. So whatever is the verb, put ne before that and put pas after that, and that's how you're going to make it negative. So I will not eat, you will not finish, he will not sell, or we will not drink. And that's it for this video. In this first part of this series, I've taught you how do you do the simple future of the regular verbs. In the second part of the series, I'm going to teach you all the exceptions. That means we are going to do how do you write the simple future of the irregular verbs. That's it for this video. In case you like this video, please do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel and mention your comments in the comment section below. And I'm going to see you soon with the next video. Till then, au revoir, à bientôt et bisous bisous.